Well, ran out of package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from A.R.M.S Inc. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. A.R.M.S Inc. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. So A.R.M.S Inc. was actually provider of various parts to NATO. They actually have a whole series with their own NSN numbers assigned to them. So it's interesting set of items. They frequently go out of stock, but while I was looking at their website, noticed that these had come back in stock, so I jumped on that and went ahead and ordered this set here. And if I look at the manifest, A.R.M.S Inc. actually stands for Atlantic Research Marketing Systems Inc. And what we have here is a rear and front sight set, the 40L and 40LF. So here you can see they come in their own separate packages. This one here is the LF, and this one is the basic flip-up standalone rear sight here. So if we go ahead and slice these out of the packages, let's see, this one has its own internal package. This one is separate, but there, it comes right out. So you can see there, both have their parts numbered there, 40L, 40LF. This one is the 0.75 MOA version. They do have other versions. You can see here, both have the locking latch, spring-loaded, and then underneath you can see there, even there is etched into there the specific part number there, but again, pretty easy to manipulate that. You can see how this has a retaining cord for the lock nut here. Let's see if I can get that off quickly. Yeah, that is on there pretty good. Let's see. Give this a few more rotations. And you can see there the retention wire and how that is captured right there. And another thing that's interesting, you do have your windage. On this side, you do see the Swan logo for the inventor, Richard Swan. And then the cross piece there. That is not captured, of course. And then you can see here more of the patent information underneath. And then this would re-secure onto a rail system. See there, the profile there. And from this side, a little bit of delineations there to help with the windage. And here, you can see here we have quick iron sights on top, quick acquisition, as well as multiple apertures with the flip down kind of panel there. So that being the rear sight. See how that goes on. And a quick look at the front sight. You can see the post there. It is adjustable and has the similar retention system there for the locking nut. All the same markings there, patent information underneath. Gives you an idea of what we're looking at there. But taking a quick look at the 40L and 40LF, put those there, from A.R.M.S Inc. Feel free to check them out. Again, large variety of items at A.R.M.S Inc. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.